In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and navigating to the app marketplace. The marketplace is where you'll find official integrations and partner apps. Take a moment to confirm you're signed in with an account that has the necessary permissions, because installing apps and connecting external accounts typically requires admin access. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search box to look for ClickUp and select the ClickUp app from the results. The app page will show a brief overview of what the integration does, any permissions it requests, and user reviews. Review this information so you understand what data will be shared between systems before you proceed. Click the Install button to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to authorize HubSpot to connect to your ClickUp account. During authorization, choose the ClickUp workspaces and lists you want to sync with HubSpot. Be deliberate here. Select only the workspaces and lists that are relevant to your sales or project workflows to keep your integrations tidy and manageable. After connecting, head back to HubSpot to set up automation. Create a new workflow. For a common use case, choose a deal-based workflow so actions happen automatically when deals change. Configure your trigger. For example, a change in deal stage, so the integration responds to events that matter to your team. Triggers should be specific enough to avoid creating unnecessary tasks. Add a ClickUp action to the workflow, such as create a task. When configuring the action, map HubSpot properties to ClickUp fields. Map the deal name to the task title, deal amount to a custom field or task description, and any relevant owner or assignee fields, so tasks are routed correctly. Be mindful of field types. Text maps to text, dates map to date fields, and use custom fields in ClickUp if you need to capture specific HubSpot data. Before activating the workflow, test it with a sample deal to make sure tasks are created as expected and appear in the right ClickUp list. Review the task for correct assignee, due date, and any attached details. If something isn't right, adjust your mappings or trigger criteria and test again. Once satisfied, turn the workflow on and monitor the first few runs in HubSpot's workflow history. Small refinements after launch are normal and help ensure the integration supports your processes without creating noise. Integration between HubSpot and ClickUp helps teams turn CRM events into actionable work, keeping sales and operations aligned and efficient.